The political matrix has, in the past few days, witnessed a series of movements aimed at constituting a formidable team to take over the reins of power come 2013. The latest move being that of Deputy Prime Minister MUSALIA, who just last night joined the TNA-URP political alliance. So what are the details of the deal? For starters, the three will share all the state and public office slots in the government equally, that is, in a ratio of 33% each. However, the trio are to negotiate in 2 weeks who between the deputy premiers, Kenyatta and Mudavadi, will be the presidential flag bearer and who will be the leader of the majority. But Eldoret North Member of Parliament William Ruto retains his position as running mate. Here's the catch. Whoever becomes the presidential candidate will cede some of his government seats to the leader of the majority. The running mate will also then give up some of his seats for the majority leader as well. The number of the seats is still a subject of discussion. However, insiders say that in a meeting between Mudavadi, Ruto and Kenyatta held yesterday, the three have all but settled on just who will be the presidential candidate and subsequently who the leader of majority will be.
I wish to state here and to appeal to all the supporters of the parties of this coalition not to blink and not to sleep.
It's a journey that we believe, we trust, and we shall work toward ensuring that it is a journey and a new beginning for this great country of ours called Kenya.
The 2-week timeline is expected to provide the time for the daunting task of preparing the supporters of either of the candidates for the reality that their leader will not be running for president as earlier planned.
God bless you, and you'll hear more from us.
Speculation is rife that Deputy Premier UHURU Kenyatta has been prevailed upon by internal and external forces to step down for his counterpart MUSALIA Mudavadi. None of the leaders or their aides would respond to this speculation. Sources involved in the negotiations told Citizen Television that with the roping in of Mudavadi, the coalition was confident of victory in round one. The sources, who cannot be quoted because they are not authorized to speak to the media, claimed in the TNA-URP strategy, TNA could galvanize about 4 million votes from the Mount Kenya region, while URP was targeting between 1.8 and 2 million votes from the Rift Valley region, giving them about 6 million votes, and that with the inclusion of UDF, which targets to get at least 1 million votes from Western Kenya, and this could be a sure winner in round one. The three parties are currently discussing mechanisms of zoning, where it will be agreed that in places where each party has a predominant presence, the other will not field candidates. So there have been proposals and counter-proposals, and now it all boils down to this. Who will be the presidential candidate? Will it be Deputy Prime Minister UHURU Kenyatta or his counterpart MUSALIA Mudavadi? Time remains the bearer of truth. Willis Shaburu, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.